YUANJIAN Machinery. We offer a large inventory of used construction equipment, ready for sale. Our stock includes excavators, wheel loaders, bulldozers, and many models from leading brands. All footage is filmed from our yard, showing real machines and available stock. We support batch purchasing and export cooperation for global customers. Machines are organized on site for easy inspection, comparison, and selection. Tell us your sourcing needs, and our team will help match suitable used machinery. YUANJIAN Machinery, your used construction equipment supplier. Contact us today.